Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm so excited to show you all the design plans for our farmhouse bathroom makeover in our guest bathroom. So if you've followed along with my blog, you might know that we've lived in this old house for about 10 years now. We have renovated pretty much everything. So we refinished all the hardwood floors that were covered with blue carpet. We ripped out the linoleum flooring to expose the wood floors in the kitchen. We added new countertops. We had some old ugly laminate and we added quartz, a farmhouse sink. We redid the other bathroom. I put in a clawfoot tub and an antique farmhouse sink and completely renovated that one. Anything that I have videos for, I will link in the cards below, and I'll also link the blog posts. Some of the blog posts are older, so I don't have videos for them, but you can follow the whole renovation journey. This house was crazy when we moved in. You definitely had to use your imagination when going through it because everything was painted the craziest colors. So the theme in the kitchen was blue and orange, and all of our cabinets were a bright, like sponge painted electric blue. Both bathrooms, every backsplash tile was painted a different color. I think the lady just really loved color. All of our 5-panel doors had different colors inside of each panel. So people have asked why I painted my trim and my doors white. Honestly, if they had been the antique wood, I would have definitely left them because I love warm wood so much. But no, they were purple and blue and green and pink and hot pink. We renovated everything, but there's one room that we still have not touched until now, and that is the guest bathroom. I put some paint over the colorful tiles. I painted the door. I painted even the vanity top because it was like really old and ugly, but that's it. The bathroom still had this marble effect. So she had, I always assume it was a lady that did our house. I don't know. Just doesn't seem like an amount of detail that a man would put into it, but maybe. She etched some black paint on the shower insert to make it look like it was marble. And we've just been living with that for the last 10 years. So everything in this house has been completely on a cash basis, and we just haven't touched the bathroom. Also, just out of having 5 kids and the convenience, we just did not have time to do it. So finally, we've decided that we're gonna do it, which it's been on the plans for a long time. The master bathroom in this house, which I spoke about how we renovated it a year ago, is the only bathroom now. So the last like 5 weeks have been pretty crazy, and we are ready for this thing to be done. But I know that we're gonna appreciate the process when it finally is, because this bathroom is an eyesore. Blue tile on the floor, which is super lovely. I'm not sure what time period that was popular. An old vanity that the cabinet door is falling off of. The vanity top that has purple nail polish on it from my kids. And then of course the marble shower insert. Now for the renovation, let's talk about the plans. I'm gonna go with chrome finishes for the faucets and the shower head. I went with a 2-inch marble hexagon tile for the floor. I just wanted to keep everything really classic, and my biggest goal with renovations is as timeless as possible. I realize that styles change all the time and that this bathroom will definitely at some point be out of style, but I want to pick things that are as classic as possible so that it takes as little renovating over the next, 20 years as possible. Especially because we do plan to sell this house. As soon as we find the right property and we save up enough money to build, we are going to buy a property and build a new home. And so this house just mostly needs to have some appeal for buyers. So this tile comes like this in sheets. So it's a little bit easier to lay, I believe, than if it was all individual. I found this on Amazon. I ordered all of it on Amazon. I'll link below where we found it. We've actually already ripped up the original flooring and put this in. I didn't order enough at first. I don't know what I was thinking. And so the rest is going in very soon. We've also already ripped out the shower insert. Now for that, I plan to do subway tile. I have a little bit left over from my last project. We have this in our kitchen and we have it in our other bathroom. Just to keep things really nice and consistent and classic, I'm gonna do the same thing in here. So we're gonna tile from floor to ceiling in the shower area, and then also I'm gonna have the tile guys put in a soap niche. So it's where there's that kind of cutout, and this is gonna go around it, but then this is gonna go on the back of it just to kind of tie in with the floor. And I think that'll be really nice for a place to put soap and shampoo and all that kind of stuff, because this is a super small bathroom and it's supposed to just be a guest bathroom, but with only 2 bathrooms in the whole house, it definitely has to function as a full-on bathroom, but with very little space. For the vanity, I chose just a warm wood. Now in our other bathroom, we actually built one that the antique sink that I found fit on, but this makeover, I just want to get it done. For the walls, this is something that might be unexpected for me because I've never done it before. I chose this wallpaper. It's gonna go on the top half of the bathroom, so we're gonna run a vertical shiplap, thinking about 2/3, so kind of as the backsplash of the sink, and then it'll meet up with where the shower ends, and then we're gonna put this wallpaper on the top half. I just love the print. It looks so pretty in the design board that I made, and so I was like, you know what, this is what we're gonna do. I realize as far as this bathroom not going out of style, this is not a super smart move, but as long as all of the things that are difficult to change, like the floor and the shower wall and the nice finishes of the faucets, I figured we can do this, and if I hate it in 10 years, we can remove it, or the next owners can remove it. Then just for the finishes, I chose some navy blue Turkish towels to bring in a little bit more blue, a little bit more color. I always love warm woods, blues, whites, you know, that's kind of my style throughout the whole house, and so I wanted to bring it in consistently into here. Touches of black, chrome, you know, just to tie everything together, especially if we're gonna go to sell this house. I want it all to look nice and consistent and in the same, you know, simple farmhouse style is what I was going for this bathroom makeover. The mirror that is currently in our bathroom, it was already here. I know some of you are gonna probably say that you love it and I should keep it, but it's not gonna go with the style that I'm doing in this bathroom, so we are gonna get rid of it, but it actually had a niche cut out behind it. And my husband really loves it because it's a good place for him to put his contact solution and his toothbrush and just keep things away from the kids where they can't touch it. And so he loves it. What I'm gonna do is get another mirror and put it on hinges to attach it to that area so that he can still have his little secret cubby area. And I'm gonna have to get rid of this mirror. The shelf above the toilet that was already in our bathroom, that was something that worked in here many years ago whenever I was kind of more of the shabby chic painted furniture type of look was in style. That's no longer what I'm into. So we're also just gonna be getting rid of that. As for right now, nothing's gonna go above the toilet because I should have plenty of storage in the vanity and cubby area. We also may add something over in the nook where the window currently is, because before we just kept a dresser there and we put swimsuits and goggles and all of that in the summer and then coats in the winter, because this is the place where we leave our house. We have all of our shoes over here behind the camera, and then we keep, you know, whatever is seasonally appropriate in the bathroom because there's nowhere else to hang it. We have to find a place for that, even though the bathroom in the back of the house isn't usually the spot it is for our house. So we're either gonna build something for storage, or maybe I'll get a nice wooden dresser to put here and keep with the way that we were doing it before. Thank you for watching this video. I cannot wait to show you the final result of this bathroom makeover. I know I'm gonna love it. I mean, really, anything's gonna be an improvement from what we currently have in here because nobody's really touched it for so many years. So no matter what, I know that it's gonna look better. I did a blog post all about this renovation and introducing it over on my blog. I'll leave the link below, but it has the design board, all of the before pictures. So if you're interested in checking that out, you can head to farmhouseonboone.com and I will leave the exact link in the description box below. I'm super excited to show you the final result and bring you guys along on this farmhouse bathroom renovation journey. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.